Previously, we have looked at multiplying and dividing numbers that are written in scientific notation. Today, we're going to look at addition and subtraction with scientific notation. A good clue to remember is we want to rewrite the numbers with the same power of 10. So if one of the numbers is 10 to the 7th power, we want the other number to be the 10 to the 7th power. Now, if you struggle with these rules, that's fine. The other option is to convert all of the scientific notation numbers to standard form and then perform the addition or subtraction. This can get kind of messy, but it is an option. But I think you'll understand these rules as they are fairly straightforward. Once again, there is a good video for you to watch where the explanation of the adding and subtracting scientific numbers is done very, very well. This is also on the Schoology link for you to get. All right, well, let's look at the first example. The first example is 8.64 times 10 to the 6th plus 1.334 times 10 to the 6th. Now, the awesome thing is I already have these in the same powers of 10. I have 10 to the 6th and 10 to the 6th. So this makes this problem quite easy. I am simply going to add the numbers out front. So I'm going to take 8.64 and I'm going to add 1.334 and my answer will be 9.974. And because I already have powers that are the same, I simply bring those down and I get 10 to the 6th power. So my answer is 9.974 times 10 to the 6th. And if you notice that 9.974, while very close to 10, is still in between 1 and 10, so that is a good answer. Another example would be a little bit more complex, but basically still the same idea. In this example, I have 2.85 times 10 to the 7th plus 1.61 times 10 to the 9th. Now, if you remind yourself, at the very beginning, we said we want to rewrite the numbers with the same power of 10. Same power of 10. So we can see right off the bat that I have a power of 7 and 9, and this is not going to work out very well. So what I can do is I can change one of them. I could change the 7 and make it go up to 9, or I could choose to take the 9 down to 7. I think I will start with the 7 and try to move that up. Now, this is where we're going to use the rule at the bottom of the screen. Remember, if I move a decimal to the left, the exponent gets bigger. A decimal to the right means the exponent gets smaller. In this case, my exponent will be getting bigger, which means my decimal will have to move to the left. So to make this into a 9, I've got to move it up 2 times, up to 8 and up to 9. Therefore, I have to move this over 2 times, 1, 2, and I'll be left with 0.0285 times 10 to the 9th, and then all of this added, of course, to 1.61 times 10 to the 9th. Now, I do have the same powers of 10, so I can simply add the numbers out front, 0.285, 0.0285 and 1.61 add together to equal 1.6385, and that will, of course, be times 10 to the 9th power. Notice our answer is written in proper scientific notation. So that is how you would add 2 numbers written in scientific notation. Go ahead and try the goddess associated with example number 3.